I just got back to Dubai, and the only thing I feel right now is so much happiness that I'm back home, and also a lot of jet lag. Anyway, I want to unbox a bunch of things with you because I got back to like endless packages, and one from my favorite brand. It's a by far package. Actually, I've been wearing this brand so much on social media, and they just sent me this bag that I've been waiting for so long. You guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I have like a serious love affair with the color green. Okay, so this package is from Benzina Pharmacy. It's called the Beauty Box, and this is so nice. There's like a bunch of products in here, so I'll try them out, let you guys know what I think. I discovered this brand, and it's the cutest brand ever. It's called Enduo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm trying to put this top on for you guys. Yeah, here it is. It's such a cute brand. Like, it's super stylish, and I love it. So I'll be posting this top later, show you guys how I style it. This is my second by far package, just so you guys know how obsessed I am. These are shoes, and I've been so into like colored shoes lately. I used to only wear black and like nude and stuff. I know these look super simple and whatever, but they're so flattering, and I wear stuff like this. I end up like using something like this so much more than I do with my big crazy chunky heels.
Hello. Hello.
Hi guys. Okay. صارت مشكلة بالgiveaway. I have a little problem with the giveaway. The post got deleted. It's a technical issue that was completely out of my control, and I'm very very sorry to the people who participated. قاعدة بحكي بالعربي إنه البوست تبعت الجائزة الرحلة على تركي على كابادوكيا صارت مشكلة واختفت البوست و it got deleted. So for those of you who don't know, I was running a giveaway, and it was the biggest one I ever did, and it's a trip to Cappadocia with me. We're doing this with Olay for a campaign that's called Light as Air, and we're going to be on hot air balloons, and we're going to have an amazing trip together. It's going to be for one winner and their plus one. فكنت قاعدة أقول إنه اللي حيفوز حيقدر يجيب معاه شخص تاني. Tomorrow راح أسوي story وراح أنزل البوست. Tomorrow I'm going to repost the giveaway late afternoon Dubai time. I am so sorry to the people who participated. Tomorrow I'm gonna give you guys more info. I'm gonna come on stories right before I do the post. وكتير متأسفة للناس اللي اشتركوا. بكرة إن شاء الله راح أنزل الجيفاواي فاستنوها. يعني I'm really sorry for the people who participated. If you can please re-participate, and I can't wait to travel with one of you guys.